Business Connection, Africa's largest IT service provider, brings the future to your business by teaming up with Telkom, Africa's biggest fiber network. These two technology giants bring smart solutions together to redefine the ICT landscape across the African continent. Picking the right partner is an important part of a shared future, allowing a unified approach to smart solutions. Introducing the evolution of Internet of Things in Africa. BCX is a Cisco certified gold partner and delivers very strong capabilities in Cisco enterprise networks, security, collaboration services, as well as data centers. The merger with Telkom will enable the BCX giant to expand its existing Cisco offerings whilst at the same time providing scale in IT services, which will help reinforce its core connectivity business and enhance Telkom and BCX's convergence strategy. As one of the country's largest telecommunications companies, Telkom is committed to seamlessly connecting South Africans to a better life. Telkom Business gives you voice services, data networks, mobile, hosting and cloud services, broadband and internet, convergence, equipment and devices, as well as business insights. Together, we offer an unmatched national footprint of products and services, giving you the ability to anchor your business and developmental initiatives across the ICT value chain. We have the capacity, appetite, technical ability, and leadership commitment to pursue high-impact projects and ideas as like-minded partners. BCX Cisco Solutions, together with Telkom, can create a security strategy to manage risk and compliance, secure your data center, engage people by providing the best collaboration tools to connect, respond more quickly to business demands, reduce capital expenditures and operating expenses. We invite you to partner with us to build businesses that offer innovative solutions, utilize ICT to its fullest, and provide us all with bigger and better market opportunities. We'd like to journey together to switch on South Africa's economy through smart collaboration. The evolution of Internet of Things in Africa.